Hi guys, I'm Charlotte, and today I'll be talking you through putting on a condom. Oh, easy, I hear you scream. But, just in the interest of everyone getting it right, here we go. Number 1, please check the best before date. If it's not in date anymore, bin it. Simple answer. That's all you need to remember. Grab yourself another one that is in date. Moving on to number 2. Please be very careful when opening the packet. Gently push the condom to one side, and with the side with a bit more space, tear the corner of the packet. No ripping. I know you're very excited. You can save the ripping for each other's clothes. Just make sure no damage comes to the condom itself, okay? Next step, check that it's the right way around. Always a good place to start. The T end should be pointing up, which you grab with your thumb and your forefinger. If you accidentally put it on the wrong side, ditch the condom and use a new one. Okay, now we're ready for putting it on. Now, what you want to do is, before you place the condom on, make sure the penis is fully erect and ready to play. Then, leave about ½ an inch of extra space at the tip of the condom by pinching out any extra air. This will help collect semen. Trapped air can also make the condom split, which is extremely counterproductive, need I say. Now roll the condom to the base of the penis while again smoothing out any air bubbles, and that is it. You're ready to rumble, as they say. Thanks very much for listening. See you later.